Breaking news at the Cape, SpaceX aims to launch Turkmenistan's first communications satellite into orbit. Let's listen as they try to do it.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have liftoff of the Falcon 9. Falcon 9 is cleared to tower.
Alright, monitoring power, looking nominal on both stages.
T plus 60 seconds. Altitude 6 kilometers. Speed 280 meters per second. Downrange distance 2 kilometers. Vehicle supersonic. Vehicles pass through max aerodynamic pressure.
Stage 1 propulsion is still nominal.
And there it goes. A perfect launch, basically flawless there. This was supposed to happen at about 6:14, so storms delayed that launch for just a little time, but there it goes.